self-portrait light. This one is the GVM 600S LED star style. This one is the GVM 600S. This light in particular is 90 watts, and the light goes all the way from 32 Kelvin, 3200 Kelvin, so it means a nice warm light, all the way to 5600 Kelvin, so the dead light, right? Nice and white, bright light. What I like about this light is it's simple to use and easy to connect and disconnect. You can take these bars out and it becomes easy to go and grab it, and comes with a nice carrying bag where you put it right in the carrying bag and you're done. You put this back, and you want to put only 2 lights, you can use only 2 lights here, but I tell you, this light is good. Now, transformer is from 110 to 40, which you can use it anywhere around the world. Output is 30 volts, and what I say 30 volts, in case you have any other GVM light, they normally got 15 volt input, but this one is 30 volts. So make sure do not go and mix power supplies thinking, because I do have a lot of GVM, and I always use same power supply for all this lighting, because all they use 15 volts, but this one use 30. If you put a 15 volt to this one, nothing's going to happen. What will happen, you're not going to have enough light, but if you put a 30 volt power supply to 115, you can maybe burn your light, so be careful with that. So simple to use, but what is interesting is that you wonder what this hole is for. What this hole is for, right, because you want self-portrait light, right, you're starting like a makeup channel and you have the light, right, and you're talking to the camera, like the one I'm doing right now. So you can put your cell phone to here, all the DSLR cameras, and I show you how that works. You know, turn this up on this side. If you're looking right in the back first, right over here we have the digital readout. We have a switch to turn it on, and then here shows me the Kelvin. If I press this and it switch automatically to letter P, so that we can change the power of the light from 0 all the way to 100. See, right now I bring it down to 0, so it turns off. And then we see that here we have output 1 and output 2. And here has the bracket. So this package comes with a bracket, this L bracket. I installed the camera. So the idea for this is now you can just go and put your camera right over here. So you put your camera right over here. So if we're looking right over there, the kind of way you will see it right now, right? It's not centered, but it gives you an idea how that works. But also, we have 2 on this side where we can put any type of mounted bracket. I have it right there in my packet. So right over here we can use to mount cell phone and to mount anything else. Put the brackets here, it's very efficient to use this, so we can mount whatever we want. Now your next thing is you wonder what is those 2 outputs. So let's remove this out. So I say in the beginning output 1 and output 2. Well, how about this? Remove one of the lights. Comes with 2 cables, an extension cable, so that will be perfect if you're looking to light up something else. So then they can use that to light up, say, your head, I don't know, your hair, or whatever you want to light up. So let's turn this on. Oh, that was on. I have to bring this up to, let's say, 4%. Check that out. That thing is a lot of light. So now you can light whatever you want. You can take 2 and light up something else, or you can just use this. Say you want to do an open box. Maybe you want to use only 1 light to show you the product, whatever you're going to do in open box. So this is a nice thing. Let's disconnect this out. So once again, so the letter there, we can go from 0 all the way to 99, and this light's pretty bright. I'm going to turn it over in a second. And then we press over here in the center, we see the Kelvin 32 all the way to 56, and we bring this down. So let's bring that and let's leave it at 32. So I can show you guys right there. So that's 32. And if I bring this all the way, so that now we're looking at 56. Bring this down. So I'm going to press the send button now, and if we go this way, we eventually will turn it off. And if we go all the way up that will be 100%, and it still go more. You see, this thing is super bright. Okay? Still go more. This is super bright. And if I go like this, I can bring it all the way down to 56 Kelvin. Huh? Let's bring this down now. Let's turn it over. Yeah, that was 100%. This light is powerful. All right, so what do you think about the GVM 600S? I think for me, I think it's a perfect light, perfect for self-portrait light. In your case, what do you think you're going to be using it for? Use it for self-portraits? What part you think is as interesting, rather curious compared to all the lights? Let me know right below the video. And for more information, like always, I will leave the link right below. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.